If you want to manually link your bank account to Plaid, here's how to do it. First, when you're in the app or service that uses Plaid, start the process to add a bank account. You'll see Plaid's search screen where you can normally select your bank and log in with online banking. But if your bank isn't listed or you prefer not to enter online credentials, scroll down and look for link with account numbers or manual setup. Tap that option. Plaid will then ask for your account number and routing number, which you can find on your checks, bank statements, or inside your banking app. After entering the numbers, Plaid may ask you to verify ownership. This is usually done with micro deposits. Plaid will send 2 small deposits, like a few cents each, into your bank within 1 to 2 business days. Once you see those deposits, return to the app, enter the exact amounts, and your bank account will be verified. From then on, your account is securely linked and ready for transfers. That's it. Just choose Manual Link, enter your numbers, confirm the micro deposits, and you're good to go. Like, subscribe, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments.